Hello everybody and welcome to a very special ship review because today we are having a look at the one and only Millennium Falcon, and as you can see over here already the the emotion is really special. If you are a Star Wars fan, I can tell you that it is a really something special to see the Millennium Falcon parked like that. And obviously it's even better when you get inside, but first I'm gonna keep you waiting a little bit. I just want to show you the exterior because the amount of detail is absolutely amazing. It's really faithful to the original. So for example, these four little lights over here are really fantastic. The detail obviously, like on the side, on the top, the antenna over here is really yeah, it's really amazing. I can tell you that. So this ship was made by Womble, and it is an absolute masterpiece. So many detail everywhere, and it's really yeah, it's really fantastic to have a look at this ship. So as you can see, there is obviously the cannon. Okay, and with the seat, so we are gonna try that just after. So really the exterior is really incredibly faithful to the original, and he, quite frankly, did an amazing job because to create that that cockpit, for example, is really tough to get really the nice proportion and the nice angle like the real one, and it's really very well done. And the funny thing is that the way he did the inclined panel over here is exactly like on the Lego one, so it's really flat piece at a very special angle that close like a flower a little bit in a sense, and yeah, so it's really it's really amazing. So I think we are ready to enter because the interior, you will see, is very detailed. Okay, let's do this. It's really it never gets old. I can't. Okay, so we are inside, and you will see that you will start to get lost a little bit. So there is so many different things to see, and if you are really a fan of the movie, you might recognize the corridor going straight to the pilot seat and the cockpit, and where so many so many shots of the movie have been made, and yeah, it's really absolutely fantastic to fly this Falcon, and so yeah, so you can see the so let me just do a quick shot from the interior. It's really, yeah, it's really fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you a little bit, for example, the turret used, for example, to shoot at a TIE fighter, and so yeah, so they're really accurate, and they shoot in sequence, so that's something also very cool. Just need to align. Now let's move on to the diner room or the training room or whatever you want to call it. So obviously, again, a very iconic piece. That is, it's always very special to see a faithful recreation like that with all the pipe, this little space. Obviously, it's really amazing. If you are a very hardcore Star Wars fan, there is so many details that you find from the movie, like this thing, for example. I mean, this is really lovely. Obviously, so it's a complete hack. So he created a children entity, and with brick. So it must be hidden somewhere. I don't know where, but yeah. So so that's really fantastic. And then there is a storage room over here, another room, and with all functioning doors, so that's really cool. And another storage room over here. The detail really made on all the small stuff is absolutely fantastic. I mean, it's really give that piece of junk look of the real Millennium Falcon. Is really it's really fantastic. So now we can continue. So this is just a door on the side. Also, you can enter like that when the Falcon is docked, for example. Oh, this is something that is really amazing. again for the movie fan. So we need to open that door first, and then there is an elevator to basically exit, exactly like at the end of Empire when Lando pick up Luke, I think. And yeah, so it's really the kind of detail that I'm absolutely love. And another room, again, very busy, lots of very, very cool detail. So this is gear override. So, okay, so this is like a control room. And this, okay, so I really, really love the kind of detail. So this is the engine that are behind over here. And this piece over here is absolutely fantastic. I mean, this is something that I would like very much reuse in my own non-Star Wars build, because yeah, it's really absolutely amazing with some kind of a toolbox like over here. Yeah, so I really, I mean, it's a real treat to to review such a ship. This is yeah, really being a big Star Wars fan, and Star Wars being at the root of my my motivation to create Skywander. It's really yeah, it's really special to have a look at the ship, and basically to celebrate the end of the Kickstarter. I think it was really the perfect ship. Okay, so we are just, let me close the landing gear, and let's just start to fly. Okay, so this is flying inside the Millennium Falcon, so obviously it's always a great pleasure. And now we are just gonna jump into hyperdrive, because why not? Okay, so that's it, guys. So thank you very much, and see you on the next one.